Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for footing plan and its steel reinforcement from this section, as you can see clearly. So this footing is designed for 3-story residential building. You can see guys, the size of this footing is 5 by 5 feet. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. First of all, I will guide you. This is for 3-story residential building. Right, next guys, you can see this is size of the footing. So size of footing is 5 feet 0 inches by 5 feet and 0 inches. This is 5 by 5 feet for 3-story residential building. Inside this guys, you can see this is column, which size is 12 by 15 inches. So the size of column is 12 by 15 inches. Right, this is footing plan. You can see the steel reinforcement, main bars and distribution bars, because this is square footing. So therefore for both guys, you can see this one is also, we used here 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. This is single emish, not double emish. If you see at section guys, you can see we did the PCC with the thickness of 3 inches. You can see clearly, and the PPC ratio is here 148, not 124. If you see guys, we have concrete cover to protect the steel reinforcement from the normal environment. As you can see, which clear cover is 3 inches for all side, bottom, top, left and right side. If you see guys, the bed depth is here for this single mesh, which is 12 inches. From the bottom of this footing to the ground level guys, you can see, which is 4 feet and 3 inches. The depth is 4 feet and 3 inches. So now let me write here depth of footing. So depth of footing, which is 4 feet and 3 inches to the ground level. Also we have the plinth level about 1.5 feet, so it's about 6 feet, right? So if you see the steel reinforcement, as I discussed from the plan of this footing, which was 12 millimeter die of bar with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. You can see here, this is okay. Next guys, here this is footing section. Okay, if you see, this is RCC column. So the column center line you can see, and here these steel reinforcement are legs, so they are wrong. So now let me, okay, so this is 18 inches, and the steel reinforcement we used for this column, the column size is, as I discussed before, 12 by 15 inches with 6 numbers of steel rods for 3-story residential building, where the dia is 16 millimeter. All right, and the concrete cover is 3 inches for the footing, and for RCC column the concrete cover is 1.5 inches, or you can say 40 millimeter. So here from the bed to the ground level, the depth is 3 feet, the bed depth is 12 inches, and thickness of the PCC is 3 inches. Okay, so this is a short video in which I have discussed the front of view, especially for the footing plan and its section for 3-story residential building. So in next video, I will guide you for 4 to 5-story commercial building, what should be the size of footing, and also I will guide you for the bearing capacity of soil. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.